spousal visa case, meaning someone who was married to a U.S. citizen, a foreign national who's married to a U.S. citizen. So the first step, of course, after we do our consultation session and we get all your documentation, is we file a petition. It's called something called a Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, with an agency known as the United States Citizenship or U.S. and Immigration Services, or USCIS, which falls under another agency called the Department of Homeland Security. The documentation is compiled. The petition, as well as supporting documents, are submitted. Those supporting documents include passport, proof of citizenship of the U.S. citizen, as well as the foreign national citizenship, a marriage certificate, proof of prior marriages dissolved either through death or annulment or divorce. I also include relationship photos. I include bona fide ties of the relationship. So the petition is then submitted to USCIS. After the petition is adjudicated by meaning it's approved, the petition has been approved, it then gets sent to the National Visa Center, known as the NVC. Now, unlike USCIS, which is under the Department of Homeland Security, the NVC is operating under the Department of State. At that time is when we submit documentation including financial information of the petitioner to show that the petitioner is financially able to provide for the foreign national. We look for documentation such as tax returns or other financial instruments to show that documentation to show that they meet the requirements. After the NVC says, okay, we have enough documentation, then we wait for the file to be sent to an embassy or consulate. At the time, once it's sent to the embassy or consulate, we will be able to schedule an interview. And as part of the interview process, it's also a medical evaluation that the beneficiary, the one who's going for the visa, will have to undertake. The beneficiary is interviewed in an embassy or consulate, and then if everything checks out, they'll be given their immigrant visa, and then they fly to the U.S., and upon arrival, their passport is stamped as an immigrant, and they are officially a green card holder. That's one area. I'm talking about a spousal, but there are other things we can work with.